In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vercel Postgres. Since the original Vercel Postgres product has been sunset and legacy databases were automatically migrated to Neon in late 2024, the current path is to use a third-party Postgres provider from the Vercel marketplace. I will walk you through provisioning a database, wiring up environment variables, connecting from your code, and managing migrations and data all within today's best practices on Vercel. First, let's provision a database. In your Vercel dashboard, open the marketplace and browse the storage category. You'll see providers like Neon, Supabase, and Amazon Aurora. Pick the one that matches your needs for features, pricing, and compliance. Next, connect it to your app by going to your project's storage tab. Clicking Connect Database and selecting the provider you just chose. During setup, you will be prompted to pick a region. Choose a region that's geographically close to your project's serverless functions to reduce latency and keep your queries responsive. Once your database is connected, Vercel automatically injects the necessary credentials as environment variables. These variables are scoped per environment, so preview and production are kept separate. You can review them in your project settings, and they will be available to your functions at runtime. For local development, pull these variables into your machine, so your app and tools use the exact same credentials. Treat them like secrets, don't paste them into code or commit them to version control. Now, let's connect via your application code. If you want a lightweight approach, install the Vercel Postgres SDK with npm at vercel/postgres. It gives you a SQL template literal that runs safe. Parameterized queries without manual string building. For larger projects, consider an ORM such as Prisma or Drizzle for strong type safety, schema modeling, and migrations. In either case, read your database URL from the environment variables that Vercel provided so your app seamlessly switches between environments. When you are ready to deploy changes, manage your schema with migrations. Run migrations locally using the same pulled environment variables, so your migration tool connects to the correct database. This keeps your schema and code in sync as you iterate. After deployment, you can inspect your data directly in the Vercel dashboard. Open the Data tab to browse tables, preview records, and run manual SQL queries. Use this for quick checks and debugging, and be careful with write operations in production. That's it. Thanks for watching.